All right, so I wanted to take you guys with me on a normal afternoon after I get off of work. I try to DoorDash like 2 to 3 hours almost every single day in hopes that I make $1,000 or more a month for just sort of an emergency bit of cash that I can use. So let's get started. It's literally 4:30 in the afternoon. We're gonna go for an hour, maybe 2 hours. We're gonna try to hit $30 to $40 and let's see what we do. All right, just like clockwork, we got our first order for $6.50 for 4 miles. Let's hit it. These sunny afternoons are really great. Getting out here for just a little while and making that little extra cash. I love driving in the evening. It's just so nice to be outside and about. Okay, so the second order is actually a 10-mile order for $9.75. Now, usually I wouldn't accept these, but this one is headed back into my zone, so the mileage there seems to make sense because I'd add an extra 5 miles going that way anyway. So let's go to PetSmart. This is a shop now, so I've got my red card with me, and I'm gonna pick out 3 items and then get it over to this person's house. Here we go. All right, got everything headed out. So I get up to the counter with all of these, groceries and things, and my red card is declined like 4 times. Just in case, don't always unassign orders when they come to you and maybe your red card doesn't work. Go ahead and go into chat support and those guys will help you out. Don't bother calling an agent. It's quicker if you just get connected to one via the chat support. Man, he funded the card and got me out of there within 5 minutes, no big deal. All right, going to deliver that order. Okay, so we finished up that first hour. It's actually still a little before 5:30. And we finished it with $16.25. Not too bad for my market. Sometimes I can get 20 or higher, but I'm gonna go with it. That's not so bad. The idea is that we hit $30 to $40 a night on the weeknights, and we try to do that every night of the month. The reason is that, in a 30-day month period, $30 a night for like 2 hours of work gives me $900. So if I can make a little bit above 30 on, say, like 2-3 Saturdays, I've made well over $1,000, and that's all it takes to make an extra $1,000 a month. Well, let's try and get another order and get up to 30. All right, we got another shop now order, $6.50, heading to Dollar General. Go in there now. Well, I finally got out of there. That order took quite a minute. The lady ordered a bunch of random stuff, Starburst, Kit Kat, baking soda, and I couldn't find half of that stuff. So I had a conversation with her, got what at least we could get, and then dropped it off. So I'm hopefully gonna try for one more order, and then I'm headed home. I'm only at 22, so I'm hoping the next one puts us up at 30, because I think I'm about done for the evening. Okay, so traffic just absolutely died. So I think we're gonna take this last order. I got a $5 order from Firehouse Subs. It's only going a mile. That puts us at $27.50 or 27, just under the $30 mark. I think I'm gonna call it a day right there. And there we go. All right, team, so we finished the night at $27.75. We didn't hit our $30 goal, but it's getting a little dark out, and the traffic has really died on this Monday. So I'm pretty happy with getting, just a couple bucks under the 30. So that's where we're gonna stop. Just know that $30 an evening really adds up at the end of the month. I love bringing you guys on here just to show that if you spend a couple hours out on the road at night, you'll make a little extra money, and it goes a long way towards your finances in the end. Anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.